Welcome to this video tutorial on the topic of simplified workflow between CEREC and inLab. In this video, we demonstrate the workflow in the CEREC 4.6 software up to the simplified transfer of the data to our partner laboratory in a case involving 5 lower jaw anterior crowns. In the administration phase, we have created our case as usual. The recommended procedure is always from left to right. That is, we define all options in the window under Indications and then click the positions of our restorations in the odontogram. Afterwards, all information about this case is displayed under Case Details, and we switch to the acquisition phase. In the acquisition phase, we have performed all scans for the 3 image catalogs lower jaw, upper jaw, and buccal. It may be desirable to add the image catalog Biocopy lower jaw in case the teeth to be prepped show an attractive morphology. This way, your partner laboratory will get an idea of the current situation and can replicate it as much as possible. In our case, we will skip this and proceed to the model phase next. In the model phase, the system automatically sets the model axis and draws the preparation margin. We only review both of these steps so that we can perform corrections if necessary. After the review, we can send the data to our partner laboratory. To do this, we move the cursor to the upper edge of the screen so that the System menu opens. We click the Sirona Connect option, and the CEREC software reminds us that we are sending our data without restorations. We confirm by clicking OK, and the Sirona Connect login screen opens. After we have entered our username and password, we click Login. Then we verify the specifications of our case once again and move on to the step Enter Order Data. First, we want to make sure that our partner laboratory is selected. In order for your partner laboratory to be displayed as recipient, you will need to select it in your Sirona Connect portal customer account. A detailed description of how to do this can be seen in our Sirona Connect video tutorial on the topic of workflow for Atlantis abutments. We begin by filling in all mandatory fields marked in red. After all mandatory fields have been edited, the case is ready for transmission and we click the last step, Submit. The next screen displays our order as commissioned. With data transmission, we will receive an additional email confirmation that our order has been sent to the partner laboratory. Simultaneously, your partner laboratory receives an email confirmation containing the information that an order with your restorations has been received. Once your partner laboratory has accepted and confirmed the order, you will receive another email informing you that the partner laboratory has accepted your order. You can also check the status of your order in your Sirona Connect portal customer account. To do this, log in with your username and password at sironaconnect.com. Then click on Order List. The most recent order is always displayed at the top. Since our partner laboratory has not accepted our order yet, a blue dot is displayed in the Order Status field. An already accepted order is marked by a green check mark. As an example, see the orders below. Part 2 of our video tutorial, Simplified Workflow between CEREC and inLab, demonstrates the workflow of the import of this order into the inLab 18.0 software. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to wish you every success when working with CEREC.